Hi guys, it's Rosanna here from Easil. I'm here to help make your images pop by teaching you how to create this outline effect.
Make your images stand out by using a thick outlined effect. Start by clicking on My Uploads and choose the image you would like to use. Once your image is uploaded, click on the small black arrow on the right and then select Remove Background. This will give our image the transparency we need to apply the outline. Create a new design. I'm just going to choose an Instagram story here. Before I add my image, I'm just going to set the background color. Then add the image to the canvas by going to the toolbar on the right of your design and clicking Images. Click the image you would like to use, which has the background removed. From here, make sure the image is selected and click on the effects icon in your top toolbar. A drop-down will appear and you will see Outline on the right. In this drop-down, it gives a whole lot of options to be able to edit your outline. I like to start with choosing a color, and then I go back and play with the thickness. You can also fade, create some distance, and rotate. But my favorite is the smoothness toggle. Depending on the overall effect you're after, this smooths out any lumps and bumps from detailed images. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to hear more of our design hacks.